How to log in into SurePayroll employee account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can sign in into your SurePayroll account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your web browser. On your web browser, simply search for SurePayroll employee account. After you search for that, you'll find this login option by SurePayroll. You can simply open that up. And after you open that up, you'll find a different options right here. So as you can see, administrator and employee login to SurePayroll. This is the one right here. So tap on customer login. So after you choose this employee option, here you'll find the employee account. Type in your username. So let's say that my username is this. Then I tap on next. Then it'll give me an option to simply sign in with my password. So type in the password that your account is associated with. Then tap on employee login. After doing that, you'll get logged in into your SurePayroll account. And that's how easy it is, guys. And that's all for today's video as well. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye bye. Take care.